How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, let's talk about on how we can recalibrate our EasySMX X15 controller. Now, to do this, it's extremely simple. Just make sure that your controller is opened up and connected onto your device. From here, you want to press 3 buttons simultaneously. That's going to be the minus button, plus button, and the X button. You want to hold this until you see this lights indicate or flash together. Basically, it's going to look something like 1 2 1 2 1 2. This lights will flash and bounce all around, and when you see that flashing lights, it means that you have entered the calibration mode. Now from there, it's extremely simple. Just turn your joysticks for around 2 times. You want to do the same thing for the other one. And of course, to recalibrate your trigger, you want to press it 2 times. Make sure that you press them separately, not together. And you can also do something like your triggers right here or your bumper buttons. Now, to exit out of the calibration mode, you want to press the plus button and the X button once again. Now, with this one, you want to avoid the minus button. Just basically press these 2 buttons right here until the light right here stabilize, indicating that we have successfully recalibrated our controller. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.